Hello everyone, my name is Jiaji Jiang. I'm a member of Federation for Democratic China. And also my father was served in China as a political prisoners for 21 years. And thank you RTUIC Toronto for inviting me to speak at today's rally. Knowing what incredible people you all are, I feel very honored to be here today to attend this event. I say I'm honored because I know how evil and brutal the Chinese Communist Party is. For their political ambitions, they killed around 80 million people between 1949 and 1976 alone. And on the night of June 4th, 1989, thousands were murdered at Tiananmen Square and across the country. I can't imagine how much the Tibetan people have suffered for the past 67 years, leading to more than 150 Tibetans to self-immortal. But despite all this, today, in front of the Chinese consulate, you all still come and to say no to the Chinese Communist Party. What incredible people you all are. That's why I believe, no matter how long or how hard the Chinese Communist people, the Chinese Communist Party tries to force Tibet to submit, Tibet will always be free.
Yeah!
And no matter how hard they try to force the Tibetan to change the language or to change the name of their motherland, they will not succeed because the name of the land is Tibet, not Xizang.
Yeah!
The people living in Tibet are and will always be Tibetans and will not be Chinese. So free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
China out!
China out!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
China out!
China out!
Thank you.